when I tell you, you want to stick around for this one. You want to stick, honey, don't get me to start just pulling the stuff out. Honey, look at this. The Tootsie Rolls, okay, these are the women's lounge shorts. Okay, get into it and do it. It's plenty more where that came from, Linda. Okay, let's do it. One of the reasons I absolutely love this nail color from Dollar Tree, or this nail polish from Dollar Tree, it dries so quick. So quick. Okay, so I'm purchasing this, honey. Just FYI, okay? Because I wouldn't necessarily be opening stuff and trying it if I wasn't purchasing it. Okay, so I think I kind of like it. Okay, could you guys see this? Let me see. This is cool. I like this. All right, so I'm getting one of these. Okay, one polish, honey. When I tell you this thing dries quicker than I don't know what, it dries so quick. All right. Oh my goodness, this is excellent. Really good. All right, family. So I had used the mirror effect. Okay, and this is pretty much how they turned out my nails. I like it, and it dries super quick. All right, honey, let's go to checkout. Okay, so, honey, when I tell you I'm feeling these sour dots, okay, women's boy shorts. This green is definitely doing its thing, okay. They also have the Razzles, then it's gum, women's boy shorts. These are really, really cute. Junior mints, $1.25. Life is sweet. I know that's right. Ooh, this is really cute. Life is sweet. The Tootsie Rolls, the Sugar Daddies, the Blow Pops. Honey, that is so cute. They also have some more Sugar Daddies. Absolutely love these. These are all $1.25. So it's like, let me see, 6 different pairs that you guys can pick from. This is really amazing. Now, when it comes to the socks, okay, Dollar Tree is definitely doing a big one with the socks. Okay, they have the Rice Krispies, the cheeses, the Cocoa Krispies, the Part Tarts, Hawaiian Punch, Kool-Aid, really, really cute. Oscar Mayer's, Pringles, Doritos, Tom and Jerry Cheetos. Honey, they ain't playing. They said, let's give them all to them. Okay, Doritos. I seen that. Okay, Rice Krispies, Spider-Man. They also have E.T. Let me see. Rick and Morty. Honey, they are doing it. Star Wars. Chill. Peace, family. Peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day today. If not, do understand and get, honey, your life is going to get better once your perception gets better. Okay, so today we are at the Dollar Tree on 49th Street. Okay, let's see what they have inside for you and me. Okay, let's go. Okay, family, so listen, remember we talked about the Star Wars, okay, the oven mitts? Child, they have it at this Dollar Tree on 49th Street, okay, in West New York. Check them out. All right, so they have this one. This says, me watching the drama unfold. They also have this one, Star Wars again, protect, attack, and snack, okay. And now, honey, they also have the kitchen towels that goes with the oven mitts, okay. Really, really cool. Absolutely love this. They also have some more down at the bottom. Okay, honey, let's get into this. All right, so they have the blue ones, Star Wars. Let me see, aren't you a little short for a stormtrooper? Laugh it up, fuzzball. Okay, this is really, really cute. You're my only hope. Okay, all right. And then they also have the oven mitts to go with those right here. Size matters. Really, really cute. It's useless to resist. Absolutely love it. And then they also have this one. And then they also have some more of the blue ones. Oh, we seen the blue ones. Beep, beep. You're my only hope. Really, really love this. $1.25. Honey, where you gonna get that at? Okay, but Dollar Tree. Oven mitts for $1.25. Now they also have the Nightmare Before Christmas oven mitts. All right, this one, and then they also have this one. My fave is definitely the Star Wars, the red ones. Absolutely love it. Wait, hold on, child. They also have some Mickey and Minnie. Okay. Dollar Tree doing a big one for you and me. All right, really, really cool. I like this one. But this one I love the best. Okay, I like this one the most. All right, really, really nice. But at all of them, I would definitely have to say is the Star Wars, the red one. This one is really, really cute. Absolutely love it. Fancy, pantsy, mancy. Huh? Now, if you thought that was a big deal, okay, honey, not only do they have the oven mitts, but they also have, look at this, the whisk, okay, mini, $1.25, okay, they also have Minnie and Mickey, okay, really, really cool, Dollar Tree, give it up, okay, they also have the Nightmare Before Christmas, the whisk, and honey, they also have the spatulas over here, really, really nice. Could you just say still deal like Holyfield, okay, could you say Dollar Tree ain't playing in these streets? Honey, they doing it. They doing the thing for you and me. Okay, is this the same one? Wait, hold on. Did we see this? Oh, no, we ain't see this. Mickey and Minnie. This is cute. Honey, talk about inspiring your children to cook, to learn how to cook with you. Ciao. Come here and get some of these. Dollar Tree also have these lip balms up here. Okay, sweet lips. Let me see, just for girls, the sweet pineapple scented, the guava pineapple scented. These are $1.25. Okay, and which one is this berry pineapple scented? So it's looking like a whole lot of pineapple. Okay, they also have the body raves. When I first seen this, I thought this was the coolest thing ever. Okay, this is raspberry scented lip gloss soda. Okay, and honey, they had a few different ones. Okay, let me see, they have this one, and then they also have the orange. All right, orange soda, honey. Speaking of orange soda, honey, what's your favorite soda? Okay, now, you know, I do my best staying away from sodas, okay, but mine's definitely would have to be the Sun-Kissed, the blue raspberry, I think, Sun-Kissed. Oh my goodness, it's so good. But honey, you can't drink that every day. Okay, now they also have the orange scented lip gloss body rays, $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield. Really, really cute. They also have the LA Colors roll-on lip oils. Okay, this puts me in the mind of when I was in grammar school. Okay, and my sister Melissa, we would get the lip roll on oil, and we would get the strawberry one, and honey, you couldn't tell us our lips wasn't popping, okay, and wasn't stopping, okay, all right, so this is coconut, really, really cool. And then they also have these mirror effect nail polish. Now, I don't know what these look like. I'm gonna just get one of these to see exactly. Now, I had showed you guys this last time, the textured travel bottles. Okay, there's $1.25. They come in, they had different colors, but right now I just see the yellow and then also the orange. These are really, really cool. Now, just in case if you guys haven't seen the hand sanitizer sprays for the children, okay, they have the Crayolas, kills 99% of germs, the Spider-Man, they have the Hot Wheels, and then they also have, they did have the Barbie. Oh, they must be don't have any more of the Barbie here. But these are $1.25. And if you are looking for a really, really good cleaner, like to clean your stove, to clean like the inside of the sink, because you know sometimes it has like the scratches and stuff, especially if you have a white sink. Honey, when I tell you this stuff is good, this stuff is really, really good. This is the multi-purpose cleaning paste, okay? So this is initially a dupe from the pink stuff, okay? But this is hands down phenomenal, $1.25. These peppermint and sage cleaning wipes, it's been a while since I've seen them at the Dollar Tree, like in a containers like this. And these are, when I tell you these wipes are good, okay, they is dirty wipes for $1.25. Now, if you go online and look these up to see how much they originally are, honey, it's way more than $1.25. Okay, this is a steal deal like Holyfield. Now, if you like, Dina, I want a bigger size, you know, wipes or so forth. They have the multi-surface peppermint sage 2x mega cleaning wipes, okay? Double size wipe for big cleaning jars. Now, it has the same amount of wipes in this packet, but with these wipes, you get a bigger size, okay, for $1.25. Ooh, child. Okay, honey, they delivering this. All right. Now, let me tell you guys something. I had they look like they done put more out. Okay, honey, I'm so excited. I don't know where to start. So, Curl Hydrate and shampoo. I think we did this one. Okay, the shampoo. When I tell you this shampoo is good, hands down, it is really, really good. Now, they also have the heat protecting spray. I'm going to go ahead and get this. And then they also have the leave-in conditioner. And I'm going to go ahead and get this. Okay. When I tell you, honey, if you have not tried this shampoo yet, this shampoo, your hair is going to be so soft. Okay. Now, the only thing about this, I have to warn you guys. Okay. When you open this, one second. Okay, so the only thing about these now, when I tell you this is a steal deal like Holyfield, for a few reasons. One, plant protein and biotin B complex infused with coconut plus rosemary. Okay, I use rosemary for my hair to grow. Rosemary and cloves, and there's a few other herbs like fenugreek. I put like in a container. So my hair could grow. Okay, grapeseed oil, really, really good. So they have rosemary. Then they also have coconut. Also, no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, moisturizing curl primer and detangler. Now, what really got me to get this was the organic plant protein and biotin B complex infused with coconut plus rosemary. Okay, so when I tell you $1.25 is well spent when you purchase this, hands down, it is an amazing deal. Now, they also have the heat protection spray made for all curl types. Now, I haven't tried this yet, but the not the leave-in conditioner, the regular conditioner, when I tell you it smells so good. This one don't really have a scent. I mean, it has a scent. It don't smell like, you know, like that fruity scent. But the conditioner, whoo, child, so good. All right. And Isha, okay, honey, you did your thing with this one like a chicken wing. Okay. Now, the curl shampoo hydrating, honey, was not holding back. Okay. Now they have the curl defining smoothie. Where is it? 1 second, child. All right, wait, hold on. All right, so I'm going to go ahead. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's like 5 of these. Okay. Now, the only thing about this, this is what I was going to tell you guys, is that the seal is broken. So if you're a person that's like, oh, I ain't using that, the seal is broken. They got the seal broken on pretty much all of them. Okay. From what I have seen. Yeah, see, it's on pretty much all of them. All right, curl moisture leave-in. So I'm gonna go with we have the curl hydrate and conditioner already. Okay, I'm gonna go with the curl defining smoothie, the curl moisture leave-in, the smoothie, this heat protection, and yeah, so we're going to go with 3. Now, the only thing that kind of get me with this is, will I be able to find this again? Okay, like, yeah, it's $1.25 and stuff like that, and it works amazing, but will I be able to find it again? That's like my only thing about purchasing this. But is absolutely amazing. Honey, we'll visit that. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. Okay? All right. Let's get into it. Dollar Tree also have the instant root touch up, okay, the brown spray, the blonde, and also the black for $1.25. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Now, also remember that Dollar Tree carries the onesies, okay, that comes in 3 different colors. They have the white, the pink, and also the blue. All right, family, so Dollar Tree also have these tote bags. These are really, really cute, okay? It says Chaos Coordinator. Absolutely love this. They comes in different colors. And then they also have one that says the Essentials. Let me see this green one.
Thank you.
Oh, just really, really cute. And these are $1.25. Honey, could you say still deal like Holyfield? Hold on, child, they got some more. Okay, so they have these large tote bags. Ooh, these are cute. Honey, could you say spring and summer? All right, look at the butterflies. Really, really nice. And these are $1.25. They're green, honey. You ain't got to think twice. Absolutely love it.